In ESR, the energy is represented as ms into z into b mu b into b naught, where ms is the spin selection rule for the electrons, and the mi is represented as for the nucleus. The mi should be 0 and the ms should be plus minus 1. The delta E, the change in energy, is represented by G into mu B into B naught. Mu B is Bohr magneton, B naught is the magnetic field, and G is the G tensor value or the degeneracy. The number of lines is 2Ni plus 1, and if the compound is having different H or different number of carbon atoms, then it should be multiplied. Then 2Ni plus 1 into 2Ni B plus 1 into 2Ni C plus 1, 2Ni D plus 1, and so on. The number of fine lines is calculated as number of unpaired electron. The number of hyperfine line is calculated as number of unpaired electron multiplied by the number of lines. The number of lines is calculated as 2Ni plus 1 multiplied 2Ni plus 1 multiplied 2Ni plus 1. The number of fine lines is calculated as number of unpaired electron. Number of hyperfine lines is calculated as number of unpaired electron multiplied by number of lines. For example, we are having the naphthalene that is having 25 lines, and the benzene radical, if it is 7. The resonance, in case of resonance also, we consider it as the same atom or a different atom. We consider it as the same atom. So here the two electrons, here the two different carbons are present in CH2 double bond CH, CH2 radical. Therefore, the number of lines is calculated as 2Ni plus 1 into 2Ni plus 1. In another cases such as titanium H2O का whole 6 2 positive, 52 lines will be observed. In copper H2O का whole 6 2 positive, 180 lines will be there, and in copper NH3 का whole twice En 2 positive, if it is cis, then 100 lines will be obtained, and the copper En का whole twice 2 positive, it would have 36 number of lines. The G tensor value is calculated as H mu upon mu B into B naught. G is also calculated as, if we put the value of H, and then how it is calculated, it is calculated as 71.44 into mu upon B naught. Here the mu should be in gigahertz and the B naught should be in millitesla, and 1 Tesla is equal to 10 to the power 4 Gauss, and 1 millitesla is equal to 10 Gauss. Now the isotropy. The isotropy is defined as whether the structure is non-crystalline or amorphous. The Gx, Gy and Gz, when they are equal, it means they are equal in cases when it is in gaseous phase, solution phase, perfect octahedral, cube, icosahedral. Then only one set of lines is obtained. When they are having the G values are different for different axes, then 3 set of lines will be obtained, and that is for rhombohedral and orthorhombic lines. When the Gx is equals to Gy, but the another axis is not equivalent to the Gx and Gy, then 2 set of lines is obtained, that is for square planar, square pyramidal, and distorted octahedral.